Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech TV and another easy to follow tutorial on Netflix. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to search on Netflix. So please make sure to watch till the end. Subscribe to our channel Tech TV and ring the notification bell so that you'll get notified on our next interesting upload. So let's get on with it. At first, go to netflix.com and sign in. You can search for movies or shows on the homepage itself. Just scroll down and browse through the genres. Next, to search for a specific title, person, or genre, tap the search icon at the top and type in the one you want. The result will be shown accordingly. And that's how you search on Netflix. If you liked the video, please leave a like and let me know if you thought it was helpful in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching and I'll be back with more interesting tutorials soon. Until next time.